Tonight, we're gonna check out Seminole Lanes in Pinellas Park, Florida. We're going bowling.
I found a river ball. This one's only 8.
8? Alright.
Yeah?
There's River. 8 pounds. Oh, nothing but bumper.
I did better.
Go. Whoa, nice work, Kaden. Oh, yes.
This one? Alright. Push it.
Yeah. All right. Nice. Oh, Kaden. All right, now let's see what this. I want to see the animation. Pizza delivery. Ooh, looks good. There you go. Thank you. Pizza. Bear Bear. Hi. Pizza's good. Greasy fingers. Get 2 to-go containers. One for Katie and one for everyone else? Yeah. Cool. Uh-oh, it's time to clean up. Through the air. Whoa. Whoa, glamour shot. Seminole Lanes, Pinellas Park, Florida. What a fun place. I want to say it's affordable. 4 of us, we probably spent $125, another $20 in the arcade. So it's good family fun. I enjoyed the place. Hope you enjoyed the view.